Hi, my name is Dewayna. It's nice to see some familiar faces. I'm excited to get to know those of you that I have not met before. In my past and present employment, I have worked with people that were diagnosed with mental health conditions. I'm showing my age, but I graduated undergrad in 2009. My first place of employment was with Family Support Services as a Healthy Start case manager. Um, I work with women that have been diagnosed with depression, bipolar, and more frequently, they were diagnosed with postpartum depression. After I left there, I was employed by Catholic Social Services. I was a pregnancy and parenting educator, as well as working in the food distribution center. I would come across various people again with depression, anxiety, bipolar, schizophrenia. At the place that I'm currently employed by, I'm with the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging. I provide assessments to individuals that are seeking in-home services. And these consumers have various mental health diagnoses, or they may not. Um, I believe that it is important that individuals are accurately and appropriately diagnosed. I believe that it provides individuals with an insight to their behavior and empowers them to pursue treatment and to be a part of their treatment plan. Currently, nor have I ever participated in diagnosing a client, or have I ever worked with a treatment team in the treatment of a client that has been diagnosed. I did provide case management to clients that have been diagnosed, but I wasn't a part of their original treatment plan. So I look forward to learning more information about mental health. I look forward to learning how to go about diagnosing people. And I also look forward to meeting and interacting with you guys and, getting feedback from you guys. So I wish everyone the best of luck and here's to a new semester.